When you think of Hamilton, you might picture rugged field watches or military timepieces, but every now and then, Hamilton lets loose, and the result is something truly out of this world. Today, we're talking about the new Hamilton Ventura Edge Skeleton, a bold, futuristic take on one of the most iconic watch designs in history. Back in 1957, the original Ventura made headlines as the world's first battery-powered wristwatch. Its radical, boomerang-shaped case, designed by industrial legend Richard Arbib, looked like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Even Elvis Presley wore one, sealing its place in pop culture. Now, in 2025, Hamilton pushes the boundaries again with the Ventura Edge Skeleton. At 51 by 47 millimeters, this watch isn't subtle. The sharp geometric case looks more like a spaceship than a wristwatch, available in sand-blasted steel or stealthy black PVD. The real showstopper, that open-worked skeleton dial beneath a hexagonal gradient sapphire crystal that fades from dark to smoky transparency. It's edgy, it's dramatic, and it gives you a glimpse into the H10's automatic movement, offering an impressive 80-hour power reserve. You'll spot the skeletonized bridges, superluminova hands, and that red-tipped seconds hand slicing through the dial. Flip it over, and the sapphire caseback reveals more of the Powermatic 80 engine, tough, reliable, and distinctly Hamilton. The Ventura Edge Skeleton isn't for everyone. It's loud, angular, and unapologetically futuristic. But if you want a timepiece that turns heads and carries real design heritage, this is it. Price starts at €1,895 for the steel version and €1,995 for the black PVD. This is Hamilton's boldest evolution yet, and proof that the future of watch design can still surprise us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the world of modern horology. This was the Hamilton Ventura Edge Skeleton, the edge of time, redefined.